Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open HSBC bank account for international students. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open your browser and go into the HSBC website. And the URL for that would depend on the current country that you are in. So just search it in Google and then you would have the appropriate HSBC website URL. And then once you are here in the website, what you want to do is you want to navigate here into the banking accounts and services, which is right here, and click here on international student account. And then from here, you will now be taken to this page, which is the HSBC bank account for international students. And you want to scroll down to read important details about opening this account right here. So as you can see, you can do it with the app, understanding your finances at a glance, get a little money from your money, and then charges for using your account outside the UK, and things to know before you open your account right here. You make sure that you read all of this, and this is basically what is very important. So make sure that you have all of this right here, that you are 18 years old or older, have a valid ID and proof of address, and have read the important account documents below, which is this one right here. So now once you are all good for that, you can now proceed here into the apply now button once you're now ready to apply for opening your account. So click here on apply now. And then from here, you would see your eligibility. So again, before you can apply for an HSBC bank account, please confirm that you are not existing HSBC customer, you're aged 18 years or above, and you currently live in the UK or one of the following countries, which is right here. So yeah, this is the eligible countries for this website right here, and information and documents you may need for the application. So make sure that you also have all of this. So your address for the last 3 years, your employment details, your income details, and your proof of identity and address. So if you're applying from outside the UK, you'll need to provide certified proof of your address translated into English. So now once you're all good with this one, click on confirm and start. And then from here, basically, it's all just personal details from step 1 to 5. Because once you have made sure that you are eligible right here, you have all of this right here, it's very easy on proceeding to the next steps because it's just your personal details. Just provide what the bank is asking of you. It's very easy, so you don't need special guidance for that. And after that, you would now be able to submit your application, and then you would have to wait for it. It would be sent to you via email notification and by mail. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.